How to withdraw money from your Betano account within 1 minute just from your PC. For this, I'm going to show you some of the genuine steps, my friends, in this video, so you should keep watching the video till the end. This is the official website of Betano. Here you have to click or select following languages. You can select the language of your own choice, and then what you have to do was simply log into the Betano account because access to this page is restricted due to security and compliance measures right now in my country. So I'm going to simply tell you all the steps, the genuine steps which will perform you good space in this video. So what you have to do is simply the follow steps here with me. That is, to withdraw money from Betano, log into your verified Betano account, go to the cashier section there, and then go to the withdrawal section from this menu. Choose the method you want to use and type all the required data for the transaction, and then simply complete the withdrawal request by confirming it and using your password. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to our channel for watching such updates.